what should just happen? Hey everyone! Lautana just here, and welcome back to another video. So sorry I didn't make a video about me playing. Now see, I have just stopping my lagging and glitches. So let's get to it. So I have two cards. From the moment on, I was able to go to the party when I wanted to invite any of my contacts, and party were available. I can join them before 7. Some event had a dress code, so I had to choose an outfit for them. I could see the dress code of any article clothing by selecting it. And what did I do if I didn't have an opportune outfit? Well, that wasn't an issue. I could always go shopping. And so what happened last episode, I tried getting a girlfriend and I got her. She can call me now. So that's correct. I know. Go shopping. My last time I got C+, and my mom hugged me for that because I passed. C+ means a pass. So what's wrong? I'm lagging little bit only, but not so much. I'm totally lagging. Put on your headphones and let's do this. Okay, so let's go to the clothing store. Of course, Toby. Well, you're losing subscribers. You should make more videos. No. He needed to invest and earn money. I stored my clothes and wore a bit full of myself. Even it was my hat. That's it. So I'm gonna buy. I think so. I'm gonna. Oh no, mom. Information. Oh, I'm losing subscribers. Repair. Of course, I wanna repair. Can't do anything. Repair it, dude. Repair it. Be careful with that. Don't mess with it. Okay? All my stored items are there. Yeah, it's repaired. Yay. It was fixed now. So I wanted to check out some new uploading computers to maintenance. Direct and cable upgrade. To choose upgrade. In this store, you could buy all kinds of accessories for Performance Workshop, each accompanies rendering points of editing. Sculptor. Okay, mom, I will. So that I will have that much money, so I can buy it. So let me think. Should I? I'm losing subscribers. I've already purchased this. No. Well, I don't have enough money. I don't have enough money. Cancel. So what should I do now? Okay, I'll just X this. Reward. I'm level 4. That's a good rank. Level up. Experience. Back to school. Before I do that, let me go and study. Then make it make a video, then I don't know, sleep or eat. After sleeping, eat, then work. I just studied for 2 times.
Yay!
That's complete. Back to school. Study again. Watch channels. Ahoy. Next, I'm gonna check my phone. Start party. Or event notification. That's good. And I'm this much prepared. Game mode. No thanks. Man. I got a ticket already. Spring Festival. No. Okay, not now. I just wasted my money on that ticket. Okay. Okay. New gaming video. What video should I make? This one I made before, so I'm just gonna make League of Giants video, a gameplay, and I didn't get these cards, and I have just start the video. So that's gonna be cool. So I have a. So what should I name this? Slash. What should I name it? Okay, I'm gonna name it the Awesome Attack. I have no idea why I named it, but I'm gonna name it that because I have no idea what I'm gonna name. So let's start. You start recording. Cool greeting. Yeah. Oh, that matched. I just guessed it. You overcome an easy challenge. Singing. You overcome a hard challenge. Happy presser. Because why would I do it? But I will. Main menu. Can't do anything right now, so next. Why am I staring at my... Oh yeah, okay. So this goes here first. Then this doesn't match, only a little bit. And this, it matches. And great color. And done. Persist. Oh, so bad. Okay, interest. Content. New record. Video editing. Yes, I leveled up. Almost everything. Only one. Publish this bad boy. And let's wait for it to render. You want to chat? Okay. Oh yeah. Sleep. See these cards? Got a serious comment. Funny greeting. That's cool. Hello. Yeah. Go to event. Now just go. Unlock the items. Nice. I'm in the event game world. My own event. So, load. Load, I say. It's broken. Wow. just load already. Yeah, now it's good. Is that a stormtrooper? And where is Dark Vegas? Vegas, yeah, I don't care. Mom's here. And a ghost is there. A ghost. Wow. Oh yeah, should I game here? I think. Play. Shoot. Destroy all aliens. Use the directional arrows to move and space to shoot. Let's play. Oh my god! Yeah. I'm just moving randomly. Oh yeah, only one more. Die! Won't you die? My high score. Only one life left. I have 550. Yeah! Die, monsters! You're no match for the video game monster. Oh, it's becoming harder! You tried to kill me! I'm dead. Hungry. I'm so hungry. What? Okay. Hunger. Okay, I'm leaving. Okay, that's enough. I'm leaving. Let's get out of there. At least I beat that guy who was playing with. What if that guy was the monsters? Just imagine. Okay, game. I have it. Oh yeah, it's loading. Thought it crashed at the moment. A shell. Wow, a shell. So I'm hungry. Eat. Have a great time in conversation though, Tana. I want to ask you, would you like to be roommate at this apartment people? So you need to tax. Okay. You have to pay 2 months rent and have 100. You have them and you're ready to move out. Share up. No, Mom, don't shout. Don't shout. I'm gonna study, okay? No. Don't study something today. I'll ground you. Don't come crying when I do. Okay, I'll study. Oh, what's your problem? I'm just gonna see this. I'm studying. Wow, that awesome tag is getting so much. No. I'll just see this. See comments. But 8 likes. I'll block this guy, definitely. Pretty please add me. Accept all those good people. And I'm gonna work, then study. Help your grandma, my grandma. You just check out stuff. Okay. Anytime I want to check my phone, these things come. My mom's just there. She's just cleaning. Friends. Spring Festival. Never. I want the 10th test date. I'm this much. Gonna study. I'm level 5. That's why I was cheering for Hooray. So I'm gonna buy a new PC But I'm not gonna yet waste my money. New cards. Professional comet. 1. Okay. Let me upgrade these. Upgrade. Most watch. Get a new game. I'm gonna do that. Before I do I will have, I think so, 4 or 3, I don't know. Amazing on PC World. Okay, I'm just gonna go Amazing on for a new game. I don't have that. I don't have that. Counter Strike. I thought that was Minecraft for a second. I'm gonna go for this. Bye. I hope I have enough money. PC World. What the hell is that? Okay. Oh yeah, I wasted my money just now. I have a project as shopping cart. Are you sure you want to quit? You have a project finish. Can I buy it? Oh yeah, carefully. Okay. Don't have enough money. You have product finish. No thanks. Okay.
Yay!
That's complete. Got a new game. Make another video. Then sleep. Then eat. Then work. And after that you buy a new game. Then that's when we're gonna end this gaming episode. Let's start video. Playing Zombie Desert. The zombies. So let's do that. And next, where put that hashtag, take your control and start playing. Like that. You start recording. Funny card. Of course, a funny card. You found an Easter egg. Wow. Professional coming. Professional. Of course. Because I am a professional Easter egg hunter. Happier person is not gonna match. But that's the only thing left. So let's edit this bad boy. This one goes here. Oh yeah, none of this match. None of these match. Just add title and then princess. Oh yeah, my friend. You guys don't know him, but before when I was playing this game, I met him and he invited me in a party. So let's get publish the video. Hello Logan, I want to invite you to the movies tonight. Please also, but I heard I am in. I'm sleepy. But not now, I'm sleepy. Sleep. No. Come back. I said sleep. Ah. And I'm gonna be hungry again. Wow. YouTubers live loading screen. So guys, sorry, I think I'm gonna end this video here, and sorry, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If this is the first video you've seen by me, please you go and watch more, and please subscribe, and peace.